Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. In today's episode, I'm going to show you two types of pasta chips. But before that, real quick, here are the crunch. Alright, so let's get started. In a heavy bottom pan, just add water and salt and few drops of oil. Just follow the pasta box instruction, and we are simply going to make pasta here. Bring water to boil and simply add 2 cups of pasta. I'm using penne pasta here. Cook this pasta al dente and see if it's perfectly cooked. Just get one and see if it's cooked or not. Alright, so my pasta is cooked. I'm going to drain it and get the excess water out. I'm keeping it for about 10 minutes and divide it into 2 equal portions because I'm going to make it in 2 flavors. These are the ingredients for first flavor. Alright, so I'm going to add Parmesan cheese, garlic powder, onion powder, and some paprika, of course salt to taste, and going to give it a good mix. Alright, so moving over to the important step here. So I have air fryer and I'm going to simply add this pasta mixture to the air fryer. Use some cooking oil spray. I'm using canola oil spray here, just easy to bake. Alright, it's time to preheat the air fryer oven to 355 degrees for about 10 minutes. Alright, so while my first batch is baking, I'm going to use my second batch of pasta and adding some kosher salt in it. I'm going to make it with some Indianized flavor. So let's get started here. Let's add some salt to taste. To make it flavorful, I'm going to add Tandoori masala powder, chaat masala powder, some red chili powder, and some garam masala. Just everything to taste, depends on how you like it. So let's add all the ingredients together and mix it well. And it's cooking oil spray time. Let's spray some cooking oil and this batch is ready to be baked. Alright, so while my second batch is marinating, let's check our first batch. This is cheese, garlic and onion salt. So let's see, 10 minutes are over. I'm going to add 5 more minutes and just to make them crispy and crunchy. And here you go, there my cheese flavor pasta chips are ready, and now I'm going to keep them aside. Alright, so my air fryer is already preheated, so I'm going to add the tandoori pasta chips, tandoori pasta to make the chips out of it. So let's spread this apart and set it for 15 minutes on 355 degree Fahrenheit. Alright, set it for 15-20 minutes and keep checking in between your pasta chips if they are crispy enough or not. I have my tandoori pasta chips and cheesy pasta chips ready. I'm serving them with my sweet and hot ketchup as well as some ranch dip. So I hope you like this recipe, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and to try it at home and tell me how you like it. Alright, see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye. Thank you. Bye.